I'm Jess, a professional event decorator, and my end goal is always the same: to help others show up for the ones they love. If you're willing to put in the work, I'll teach you how to make a balloon garland like a pro. We're going to start by making our clusters. Just inflate your balloons in pairs, press them down on a flat surface while releasing a bit of air to round them out. This will help reduce gaps in your garland. Tie your balloons into pairs using a simple knot. Repeat this 2 more times to end up with 3 pairs of 2. Then twist your pairs together by the neck 3 times in the same direction to lock them into place. You can stop at 6 balloons per cluster, but if you want pro level results, I use clusters of 8 at the base of my garlands to give a fuller appearance, and then taper off in 2 clusters of 6. The standard balloon garland uses at least 7 clusters. This one will use 12 to 13. Some people use fishing line, others use 260 balloons or tie the clusters together by the neck. I like using rubber bands. It allows for repositioning without the need for scissors and still gives a tight enough connection to be secure. Adhesive hooks work great for attaching garlands to walls, but be sure to use painter's tape because the adhesive will tear off your paint. I'm going to use small clamps to attach rubber bands to my backdrop in this case. I like to start at the bottom just to make it easier to get the garland going. You're going to want the bottom of your garland to be the widest point. That's why we're starting our base with 2 clusters. We can continue adding alternating colors of clusters until we reach our intended height, attaching the garland to your clamps as you work your way up. To add dimension, we're going to position our 18-inch balloons and large theme items wherever we need to build up our garland. You can attach rubber bands to the tails of your large balloons for easy positioning. Be sure to space these out evenly and stagger them. We're going to use our smallest balloons to fill in any gaps in our garland. You can inflate these a few days before your event because they are a bit tedious. We're going to inflate these, tie them in pairs, then take our pairs and twist them together. Add a rubber band and done. You can attach these anywhere on your garland where you see gaps. I hope this inspired you to have the confidence to make a balloon garland for someone that you love. If you found this video helpful, make sure to show your support by following.